Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. That depends on where you're watching me from. But from here right now, that's 20 past 12 o'clock in Nigeria. Yeah. So I say good afternoon. I want to tell you something very, very interesting today. As of a few years back, when Ibejuleki was being sold for 500,000 naira, people were being laughed at. That why are you going to buy property in that area? Why are you going to buy into the bush? But as I tell you today, that property in that area now is selling for close to 40 million naira. That is massive, right? Well, it's not too late for you to get something good for yourself. If you miss out in buying Ibejuleki for yourself, and you still feel like buying property for yourself, see, like, which I would advise you to do, it's right time for you to come and key into another beach free area in Ogun State. Why Ogun State? Um, because right now, as you know, Ogun State is opening up to the world now. We have an international airport in Ogun State. We have so many landmarks in Ogun State. We have so many industries in Ogun State right now, and Ogun State is very close to Lagos State. So if you still want to get, you want to stay away from the hustle and bustle of Lagos State, and you want to stay very close, you know, Ogun State is the right place for you. Just like when we have the New York City, we have New Jersey Drive, and so many other cities that surround New York City. They come into people from New York City, the people from New Jersey, they go to New York City to work and see enjoy one of the funds of New York City and go back to New Jersey. That's what is taking shape in Nigeria right now. You don't need to be in Lagos State. You can have places in Ogun State and move to Lagos and go to and fro. That's the reason why you need to come and key into a property I'm going to introduce to you. So welcome to Iconia Phase 2. Here. We have a big wide range of land here. You ask me why phase 2, not phase 1. Well, before I go further, let me use the opportunity to say big thank you to our investors that came to phase 1. In no time, when we brought phase 1 to the market, we had this great massive sale of people that came here to come and buy this property. So I say thank you for helping us make this massive sale. So in that same vein, I'm working to Iconia Phase 2 in Atan Ota Ogun State that shares close proximity with major landmarks like the Bells International School, Crawford University, and Winners Chapel. I guess you all know Winners Chapel. And apart from that, right now Ogun State is expressing major development. We have so many bridges being constructed, so many infrastructure, so many investors coming in. So it's the right time for you to come and key to this property. We have a 500 square meters. We have You can buy in acres too. So the 500 square meters go for 2.3 million naira all inclusive, and the acres, which is 6 plus, go for 11.7 million naira. And the title of this property is a registered survey and deed of assignment. In no time, our C of O will be out. So that's the right time for you to come and key into this property. Because once this C of O is out, I bet you the value of this place is going to soar high. So as you can see far away, you can see that you can see pillars that demarcate one plot to another. That shows that people that have keen to this property and they already have their investment. The investment, the value is going from time to time now. So this is the right time for you to come and key into this property. So I remember myself Agbaje. I'll see you in my next video. So for you to get started, call the number on the screen, then I'll be ready to help you. Have a nice day. Cheers.